Imagine a vibrant underwater city, teeming with life. Coral reefs, often dubbed the rainforests of the sea, have faced devastating threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Yet an extraordinary phenomenon has emerged: their resilience. In 2020, the Great Barrier Reef showcased remarkable recovery after a mass bleaching event. Scientists found that some coral species adapted by altering their symbiotic algae to endure rising ocean temperatures. This unexpected comeback is a testament to nature's incredible ability to heal. As we strive to protect these ecosystems, we witness a miracle of adaptation, reminding us of the vital role coral reefs play in sustaining marine biodiversity and our planet's health.